Alright, it is 4:12 and the self-clean is done, but the door remains locked. So I don't know what it looks like on the inside yet. What I'm gonna do today is wash those cabinets. You can see grease, okay? And then we're gonna wash all of these over here, and that would be it for this video. And I still have to clean the inside of the oven, at least wipe it down. Hey guys, Sophia here, My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my deep clean of the kitchen. The lighting is terrible. We're in the middle of a storm. We're supposed to get between, are you ready? 18 and 24 inches of snow between tonight and tomorrow. So it's blizzard condition already. I am going to clean the Corningware because I just showed you what I was going to do. And then the oven finally beeped. So let's go and see what the oven looks like. So generally speaking, I don't use the self-cleaning because I find it to be suffocating, but it looks pretty clean to me. I still have some stuff to do here on the door. Everything that you see that's white, it's basically a powder now. It just needs to be wiped down. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna fill up my sink, and all of my little Corningware here, which is really purely decorative, is going to go into the sink. This is so bad. So I'm not going to do the microwave because if you recall, the microwave is broken and I've decided not to replace it. I'm going to put a 36-inch exhaust instead. Mom's got a point. Well, they did everything but the kitchen sink in the Spice of Life pattern. Would like to complain about the fact that it's missing the dog's bowl. There's no cat and dog bowl in that pattern. Look how nice and shiny they are now. Okay. All right. Time to go and do the oven. So the oven, technically, all you have to do is wipe off let's see if true. I probably should use the self-clean more often. You tell me down below, how often do you use it, or do you use it at all? I'm not a fan because of the smell and the heat, but it does make sense considering we use the oven practically almost every day.
Tu devrais enlever la grille, Sophie, ce serait plus simple.
To the door. That's just Windex. Yeah, Mom is reminding me to remind you that there was one of my videos I showed you how to open this so that you can get in between the two glasses, because I can see that I have some burnt stuff on the glass. Guess what? I'm not doing it today. In about 30 minutes I gotta go upstairs and I'm doing my workout session with my patrons on Patreon, and I'm not gonna miss that. Okay, let's do the front. Yeah, you can definitely see that there's some stuff in between the two glasses. I'm gonna have to do that at some point.
Tu peux enlever les bouchons, là, les trucs. Hein.
Oh.
Ça s'enlève.
Non, je sais, Scott l'a fait il y a pas longtemps. Alright. I'm not doing these. Scott did them last week. Il l'a fait la semaine dernière, Scott. Les bouchons, ouais. But definitely need to do this. Okay, well, I would say the oven is clean. I think you can tell, right? Nice. Clean. Alright, well, I gotta put everything back and I'm done. So, a little blizzard has started. We might have like less than an inch so far. But in the meantime, this is all nice and clean and nice and shiny. Yeah. Okay, so this is done. These cabinets have been washed and the oven is clean. Mom wants to show you her turnip. She's literally, I'm not kidding, she's growing a turnip in the kitchen. Okay, yeah. She's also growing garlic, and then she grows the garlic from the cloves, right? And then she cuts the green
Comme
stuff.
ça, comme de la
And then
ciboulette.
this, you'll see about it pretty soon because I'm doing a review. Yes, I have a vegetable garden in the kitchen since Mom came in. So this video is short. I'll be honest, I'm exhausted. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot. Ça se voit ou pas?
Oui.
Ouais. I think it shows that it's
Bien
been
sûr que ça se
clean.
voit.
In 2 weeks I'll be back to filthy. Because what can I say? We cook like everybody else every day. And I am not the best at cleaning and maintaining, but when I get going, I do things. I'm glad I did the caulking, the silicone in the previous video. I might start using the self-cleaning on the oven more often. Again, I don't like to use it. It just smells so bad. And when you do it at night, I can't sleep because I'm like convinced it's gonna start a fire. Okay. So I know it's ridiculous, but one of the things I do definitely need to do is open the door in between, you know, the sandwich and clean the inside because there's leakage of grease and burnt in it. And that would be it. So I am done. It is 5:13. In a few minutes I'm going upstairs and I'm gonna go and work out. So that would be it for me and for you this week. Thank you for watching. You can give me a thumbs up and subscribe right here in the corner. Hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Sorry Mom wasn't feeling it today. She's been tired. I dragged her to the antique show yesterday and we walked for like 5 hours, so she's tired today. I get it. And then, find me on Facebook and Instagram and My Great Challenge. Don't forget to hype this video that's down below, and super thanks if you want to support the channel. And that would be it. I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.